Hi, this is Mato. Welcome to my online chess lecture. In this video I will show you a game between Ian Nepomniachtchi and Magnus Carlsen. This is a game from YourNextMove Blitz Championship played in Belgium in 2017. Ian Nepomniachtchi had white pieces and he started with e4. Magnus Carlsen played e5, d4, the center game. E takes on d4, white to move. Queen takes on d4 was played. c3 is a very popular move in this position, and after d takes on c3, bishop to c4, but this is a game for another time. Queen takes on d4 was played. Knight to c6, attacking the queen. Queen to e3, bishop to b4, check. Carlsen is in this game demonstrating how to play against the center game. Just watch it. Knight to c3, knight to f6, bishop to d2 unpinning, and both players castled. Ian Nepomniachtchi castled queenside. Rook to e8, lining the rook with white queen. Queen to f4. Black to move. How would you continue? Magnus Carlsen removed the defender of the pawn on e4. Bishop takes on c3. Bishop takes on c3. Rook takes on e4. Queen to g3. If bishop takes on f6, then rook takes on f4. And after bishop takes queen, knight takes bishop. And black is better. Back to our game. After rook takes on e4, queen to g3, d5, f3, rook to e8, knight to e2, a5, intending knight to b4, knight to f4, knight to b4, and Ian Nepomniachtchi played bishop takes on f6. If bishop takes on b4, then a takes on b4, and after king to b1, c6, intending queen to a5, and white king is in trouble. Bishop takes on f6, queen takes on f6, white to move. a3 was played. If king to b1, then bishop to f5, and after bishop to d3, bishop takes on d3, knight takes on d3. Black has more than one good move, but c5, and black is better. Back to our game. a3, kicking the knight back. What is the best square for the knight? What would you do? This is the critical position of the game. Please pause and find the best move for black. Did you pause? What did you find? Magnus Carlsen played a brilliant move. Bishop to f5, sacrificing the knight. A takes on b4, a takes on b4, knight takes on d5, attacking the queen. What else? How about king to b1? Is that a good move? What would you do in this position if you had black pieces? Then rook to a1 check, and after king takes rook, bishop takes on c2, intending rook to a8, checkmate. For example, what can be played here? Let's play a random move. Knight takes on d5, then rook to a8, check is winning. Okay, back to our game. Knight takes on d5 was played. Rook to a1, check. King to d2. Queen takes on b2, white to move. If rook takes rook, then queen to c2, checkmate. So, Nepomniachtchi played queen takes on c7, taking a pawn and defending the pawn on c2. Maybe. Black played a move and white resigned. What would you do? Perhaps there is more than one way to win the game. Carlsen played rook takes rook, check, and Ian Nepomniachtchi resigned in view of this continuation. King takes rook, queen to b1, check, king to d2, and there is checkmate in 1. Queen to e1, checkmate. That was an awesome game by Magnus Carlsen. What do you think of this game? And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck with your chess, and bye for now.